Hello students, welcome to our next video tutorial on the engineering drawing subject. We are discussing projections of straight lines. Previous tutorials we have discussed case 1, line parallel to both horizontal plane and vertical plane. Case 2, we started line contained by one plane and parallel to the other. Already we have discussed one problem on that, which is problem number 2, line contained on HP and parallel to BP. Now we will go and discuss another case, another problem of example of this case. Look at the problem. Line AB, right? What is it writing? I am writing given data AB of what length? 50 mm. Is on VP and 20 mm above HP. On VP and 20 mm above HP. On VP, see. I am showing the position of a line in this location. From this you can understand that line is parallel to both horizontal plane and vertical plane. Above HP, in front of VP. Above HP, height H. In front of VP, distance D. Now what is this? Line is on VP. On VP means what? From VP, parallel means you should have some distance. But there is no distance, it is on VP. It is on VP and 20 mm above HP. From horizontal plane, it is at a height of 20. End A is at 20, end B is at 20. What is nothing but it's a height H. So I can write height H is 20 mm and distance D is, distance D means from vertical plane it should have some distance parallel, but it is on VP. On VP is nothing but it is like this. So distance D is 0. We have to draw its projections. Projections is nothing but first angle projection. In first angle projection, front view comes above XY line, top view comes below XY line. You keep remember this as mantra. First angle projection, front view comes above XY line, top view comes below XY line. XY line I have drawn, front view above XY line, nothing but above HP. Above HP, what is this given? 20 mm height, H 20 mm. So what I am supposed to do? From on XY line, from anywhere, any point, I have to draw a 20 mm line projector, which is nothing but A dash. How much this? 20 mm. Now from A dash, using drafter, fix it, draw parallel line of 50 mm for point B dash. Now if you draw projector, same 20 mm it will be. See how to start, you may be confused. Just take any point, draw 20 mm height. Now on XY line, from this point, draw measure 50 mm length. Keep a point. From there, start vertical projector at 20 mm. Now after that you can join. That also will do. Now see, in projections of points you started just with writing it as O, then above, below. Same thing. Now distance D. Now see what happened here. It is on VP. On VP is nothing but, yeah, exactly, on XY. On HP is nothing but on XY as previous problem. On VP is nothing but on XY. So here we have to draw another thick line. At these points you have to plot them as A, B. Nothing but we are representing top view on XY line, top view. So notation A, B. If you not write this AB, the meaning changes. So above XY line, front view A dash B dash, on XY line, top view AB. Now show the dimension of the original line length as 50 mm. Simple. If you compare this answer to the previous problem number 2, they will be opposite. They will be opposite. That if you realize that they are opposite, that shows that you gain knowledge of drawing projections of straight lines with the case line contained by one plane and parallel to other. Previous problem, line on HP parallel to VP. Now here line on VP above HP. Just the line sentence change, interchange, that's it. Hope you all understand this. Still if you have any doubts, you can contact me anytime. Thank you. Jai Hind.